In today's video, I will show you how to change text color background in Canva. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! The Canva is a powerful and user-friendly graphic design tool that allows users to create a variety of visual content from social media posts to presentation. One of the features we might want to use is adding a highlight background to the text to make it stand out. This can be a particularly useful for the emphasizing important information or making your text more visually appealing. So how to change the text color background on your design on Canva. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Canva. We can open your design. Here's my design. I want to change the color background on this design for this text. So you can select on the text that you want to change the color background. You can double click left on the text until it's look like this. Now you can select on effect, and effects you can select on background. So here the color background on this tag is black and I want to change it. So you can double click left. Now here's you can before that you can custom the roundness for this background, the sprayed, and also the transparency. To change the color, you can select on color. You can just choose on the color that you want to use for this text background. Maybe for example, we'll choose this novel like this. Now, after you finish, you can just save it. It's very simple, right? The text looks more stands out. Now you can just share it and download it. You can save it and share it with your friends or your other social media platform. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change text color background in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!